Ashwin. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a bottle rocket. By seeing this video, you will be able to know that how does the bottle rocket works and how to make this rocket. This rocket needs pressurized air and water. Okay friends, now we will see the materials needed. We need 1 inch PVC cap, a car mouth, 1 inch PVC pipe, 3 elbows, each measuring 3/4 inch, half inch reducer, half inch PVC pipe, few tacks and 3 PVC pipes which to be fitted inside this elbow to make our launch pad. To make our rocket, we need 2 water bottles which will be the body of our rocket and few cardboard pieces which will be the fins of our rocket. Okay friends, now I will show you how did I make this rocket. Let's get started. I think you would have seen that how did I do the rocket. I think you will be asking me that how does the rocket works. When I pump the cycle pump, the air gets filled inside the bottle and then the water and the air gets pressurized. When I pull the lock down, the pressurized air and water comes down forcefully to the bottle's mouth and then it creates a force called the thrust force and the bottle flies up in the air. Okay friends, I think you would have understood the concept and you have enjoyed this video. Okay friends, bye. See you in the next video.